Hi everyone, welcome to another video announcement. Hope you're having a great week. As you know, we are in Module 5, Part 1 at this point, and you should by now have assigned yourself, self-assigned to a small group, either a paper or a project group, depending on which section of the course you're in. So if you're in the green group, there's two groups for you, Group 1 and 2, and the blue group, the same thing. Group 1 for both sections is for those doing papers, and Group 2 is for projects. So please make sure you're in the right group, since the discussion that you'll be having depends on the kind of capstone assignment that you decided to do. So hopefully you're in the right group. If you're not, just email me and let me know. I can easily take you out of a group, but then you will need to assign yourself to the correct group. Besides the discussion that's going on in our small groups, your e-resume is also due by the end of this module, and remember that's kind of like a social media presence online. I don't expect you to use any tools that you have to pay money for. There's plenty of free tools out there, and I have some suggestions in the course module for tools like Wix.com, Visualize Me. Google Sites is another one, so LinkedIn is very popular. So anything that you feel like would help you as you think about your upcoming career, or even just your your presence online for family and friends. So that assignment, as I said, is due by the end of this week. Opening tomorrow, Module 5, Part 2. We're going to be focusing in on our e-portfolio, so hopefully you have had some time to work on that. We're going to do a peer review, so please make sure that your e-portfolio is visible to at least those in Boise State. You can check that under the Settings tab in your Digication portfolio. Under Portfolio Tools, you'll see the Portfolio Tools button at the top right of your portfolio page once you're logged into Digication. So you can check that it is shared to at least everyone at Boise State, so that when you copy and paste the URL for your e-portfolio, once you're on your home page, just copy that and paste it into the discussion board. That way when other students use that same URL, they'll be able to go right to your Digication portfolio. What we're basically doing is just giving it a check over, so that if there are still missing items or parts that are misspelled or things that don't work, that you can have another set of eyes look at that in preparation for the time when you submit the e-portfolio and each of those MDS outcome sections to the assignment in Blackboard later this semester. As well, in the next module, we will also have another journal where I'm asking you to just think about what your plans are after you graduate. That's always a very interesting journal for me to look at, to see how far our students have come from the time they started the program until what they're looking to do now. And it just kind of helps us as a program know how we can best support you in your future endeavors after you graduate. So take a few minutes and fill that out as well. If you have any questions about any of these things, please let me know. Hopefully your service learning is going well and you've completed the majority of your hours by now. I think this would probably be the time, now that you have the capstone project thought out and you submitted the capstone project proposal. This will be the time to just start working very hard on that part, either your paper or the project. So hopefully your hours are going well. If you're having trouble at this point, please do let me know as soon as possible. I will try to get your proposals looked at and graded by the end of this weekend. So just hang on for that, and you can also ask me specific questions once I get that back to you. So if you have any concerns or questions, as you know, email is usually the best way to get a hold of me, and if I don't hear from you, I will definitely see you online. Thanks.